MailerLite has become one of the most popular email marketing platforms for creators, small businesses, and e-commerce brands. But is it powerful enough to compete with MailChimp or ConvertKit? Let's break it down. So it's known for its intuitive, clean interface. Beginners can build campaigns quickly with drag-and-drop email builders, landing pages, and pop-ups, all without feeling overwhelmed by complex settings. It covers the essentials: automation workflows, A/B testing, subscriber segmentation, and analytics. Plus, it includes a website builder and even sells digital products directly, something most email tools don't offer. Advanced users may find its automation slightly limited compared to Klaviyo or ActiveCampaign, but for most, it's more than enough. So its free plan covers up to 1,000 subscribers with 12,000 emails per month. Great for smaller lists. Paid plans start around $10 a month, which we can check out right here, scaling with list size. It's one of the most affordable platforms for the features you get. MailerLite is a lightweight yet powerful option for anyone wanting simple, cost-effective email marketing without the bloat. If you're running a small business or just starting out, it's one of the best value picks out there.